Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling and selecting the keyboard so you can type immediately. Open Settings, confirm OS compatibility, and install the cute Emoji keyboard app. Once installed, tap to enable it in Keyboards and allow necessary permissions. Make sure to read the access prompt. Return to any text field, tap the globe or long press the spacebar to switch keyboards and select cute Emoji. Once done, you're ready to explore packs and presets before inserting emoji into messages. Now you focus on finding and organizing emoji so typing becomes fast. Open the keyboard panel, swipe categories, and use the search field to locate specific icons. Long press an emoji to reveal alternates. Drag the one you like into your favorites bar to pin it. Configure shortcuts and auto-replace rules in the app settings so type triggers expand into emoji sequences. Once configured, test them in a chat. Type the shortcut and make sure the expansion behaves as expected before moving on. Finish by inserting and customizing emoji for the final look, and one troubleshooting tip. Tap any emoji or sticker to insert it. Switch tabs to send GIF or stickers. Use settings to adjust default size, skin tone variations, and combo layout so messages look consistent. If emoji don't paste into apps, make sure full access is toggled correctly, restart the host app, or reinstall the keyboard as a last resort. This quick fix resolves most insertion failures. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.